picture with Kazards. Tapos send mo to GC ko sa pasyon.
Walang mali dyan. Kasi kapag kamali, ano yan, naitata.
Pwede ito gawin ito ganito. I-cross nyo lang na ito. Tapos hilain. Ayan, mayroon ng loop na nakuha niya. Tapos i-ano nyo lang ito sa pinakakatawad niya. Then ibalik.
1 second.
Pack. Go line. Kuha ba?
Ano na di?
Pack 3 times.
Stolen. Okay na. Video ako.
PO Balita.
Followed by the high angle rescue operation, both to be conducted today by the highly trained and disciplined unit of Naval Forces Reserve Southern Luzon. The two essentials demonstration are not merely display of strength and coordination. They reflect secure anchor system, every knot, every caravel, placement, and every rope tension is checked and double checked. These where the discipline and precision are non-negotiable. The rescuer begins their descent, controlled, smooth, and always in communication with the team above. Upon reaching the victim, assessment is conducted, harness secured, and the victim is gently lifted or lowered to safety. High-angle rescues are crucial during landslides, flash flood, building fires, and remote area evacuations, especially in our geographical diverse country. These capabilities showcase not just bravery, but engineering knowledge, physical conditioning, and trust in each other as a team. Design allows for full body support, spinal immobilization, and safe vertical or horizontal lifting in hazardous environments. It's often used in a mountain rescue, collapse building, and cliffside mission, exactly like in today's scenario.
Tension. Tension.
lagi ko siyang itali dito sa taas.
Hindi nagtitensyon na itong ano, taas ah.
Alang ka rin kasi sa space nila. Tapos kulang ng dapat sa baga.
Hindi ganun ba ito?
Maulan. Maulan.
Karang na. Mahal na.
Sa day ako outside.
Ito na nga ba yan? Nagdaglan.
Uy!
Ba't nahulugas?
Di man nagkuhan. Hindi nagkasabay sa darong lang.
Nakahigat ng sir. Okay.
Sabot nga.
All,
Okay.
for their tireless commitment to the public service. So please give them a round of applause, please.